You talk about any Sahabi today, I take the name of Abdul Rahman bin Auf radiallahu ta'ala. The moment I take his name, do you think he's a businessman or a very righteous Muslim of the Ashri Mubashara? What is the first thought to your mind? How do you connect him? With business or with the Sahabi of Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, very Islamic? Huh? Sahabi. You don't connect him as a businessman. It's the second thought that comes. He was a businessman. You know how rich was he? When he died, he had 4 wives. Islam, Surah Nisa, Surah number 4, ayat number 9 to ayat number 12, Allah said about the inheritance law. According to the inheritance law, the wife of the deceased will get how much? 1/8 of the total money. 1/8 of the total money will go to the wife. How many wives did he have? 4 wives. Meaning after making 1/8 portion, that 1/8 was divided into, each wife at that time got 83,000 dirhams. That was his richness. But you don't remember him as a successful businessman. You remember him as a companion of Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam who strived day in and day out to make Islam the law of the land.